In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam games are not launching, starting, or opening. Now this is a general video for some Steam games. If there's a specific issue with a Steam game, like you get an error code, you probably have to Google the error code name and find it from there. But if this happens with multiple Steam games, what you can do is first come up to Steam and go to Settings, come in here and go to Downloads, try and clear the cache, head over to Storage, come here and repair your library. After you've done that, you want to try and find the game that you're having trouble with. So let's just say it's Among Us. Go to Properties, Installed Files, and then verify integrity of game files. If this still doesn't solve it, go to Browse from your game, and you want to find the .exe file on your game. Now, in this one, it's going to be exactly in this folder, but in other games, you might have to scroll a little bit, like with Counter-Strike. You have to go in here, and then you have to go all the way to Game, Bin, Windows, and then the exe file is in here. So just look for the exe file, then you want to right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, try and activate these two, press Apply and OK, and then Launch. If it's still not working, try and run it in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and you can also try Windows 7 after. Now, see if that works. If it still doesn't, you can try and come here, click on Steam, and then check for any Steam updates. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can try and come here and search for Task Manager, go to Details, sort by the name, press Anywhere and press S, then look for your Steam somewhere, and you want to make sure that you end the task on every Steam thing that you have opened. Once you've done that, try and relaunch Steam and see if it works now. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.